Looking to start a home project, checking out a builder's credentials is key. In today's Home Sweet Home tip from Legacy Roofing and Restorations, Jeremy tells you more about what to look for.
Hi, I'm Jeremy from Legacy Roofing and Restorations. The tip of today is going to be check credentials. Obviously, license and insurance are very important, but having a great rating at the Better Business Bureau, such as ours, is an A+, Angie's List A rating, Home Advisor A rating, Google reviews A rating. Those are a very, very important factor in ensuring that your job is going to go smoothly and professionally. For more information on Legacy Roofing and Restorations, go to our website at legacyroofinggr.com, like us on Facebook, and/or contact us at 616-414-0054.